Hi everyone, welcome back to M's Technology. My audio is probably messed up because I'm outside and the wind chime is singing. So today I wanted to show you my German Shepherd dog. She's got a couple commands. Watch this. Sit. Good girl. So she knows how to sit. I'll show you one more. Lay. Lay. Good girl. Good girl. Yeah, good girl. She can do come. Come. Sit. Good girl. Stay. Come. Come. Sit. Good girl. So, she's pretty darn trained. We got her at Stonehill Kennels, Mount Morris, Michigan. You should go check them out. They have really good German Shepherd dogs. We'll do one more trick. Sit. Lay. Good girl. So yeah, she's pretty trained. She is nice with kids, like me. So that's it for now. Hope you guys like, subscribe, and enjoy. And bye.